Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can integrate Gemini 2.0 into Google Workspace app. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course make sure that you already have your Google Workspace plan so that you would be able to actually proceed to the next steps. So after you've made sure that you have your Google Workspace plan, what you will have to do is basically you will see the extensions area here, so you will just have to click that and then click add-ons and then get add-ons, and then you will search for Gemini 2.0 and click install. And after that you will just have to grant permissions for the Gemini to access your apps, and then you will click open Gemini, and then you will choose tasks like AI writing, summaries, or data analysis and all that stuffs. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. And again, there's your Gemini app, and you also need to have a existing plan um to actually fully integrate this to your Google Workspace. So you do have to make sure that you already have one as well. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.